Alright guys, I want to make a quick video about this product that I just got in the mail. I'm recording this video with my iPhone, so I apologize if the audio is a little weird compared to the external mic that I use on the GoPro. I got this carbon key case from Pinalloy accessories. I'll put their information in the description as well as put their name up on the screen here. I want to say this is around $34 or $35. I'll show you guys this up close in a second, but it is well worth it. But I've teamed up with them, and you guys are going to receive a 15% off discount by using this code that I'm going to put on the screen here. All you have to do is plug that in your cart, and you're going to save 15% off. So let's get into this case. Okay, so it is a two-piece case, as you guys can see there. This is the back side where the Volkswagen emblem would be shown through, and you can see that weave is very, very nice. It's got a very high gloss to it. I have looked for imperfections in the weave and I cannot find any. Let's see here. There's really no imperfections that I can see. Very high quality. And I'll show you the other side. There's a smudge there from my finger. But all in all, I mean, I would say this is hands down worth the money. Come on, focus. There you go. And I will even link this in the description so you don't have to hunt and find this product. Just click it, insert the discount code, and it does come from China. It says the shipping is, I want to say 10 to 12 business days, but I got it in about 5 or 6, which is pretty quick considering it came from China. So I'll show you guys how to put the key in it right now. So you take the back portion, you take the key, just lay it right there, take the top portion. It's pretty foolproof. You guys see there's a little lip in the middle there that it clips onto, and the other side as well. It's like a little lip. And all you do is just clip it around the edge there. And I think everything else is good to go. Yep, let me give it a final polish. And there you guys go. Now obviously your key might look a little better than mine. Mine has seen its better days. I'll probably just get an empty case from eBay. Maybe ceramic coat it as well. But don't mind the little smudges there. That's just my finger. But everything still works. Key flips out normal. Everything's great. Very high quality. 10 out of 10 recommend. Thanks you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button. Leave a comment below. Hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you on the next one.